I think this fragrance is very underrated. So on today's video, let's talk about HSI Myself. So ano nga ba ang amoy ng isang YSL Myself? So it opens with a burst of citrus mixed with other fruits, so it's actually kind of tropical or fruity, and then it's actually kind of sweet then. And also, YSL Myself is kind of fresh as well as fresh spicy yung kanyang amoy. And in fact, it's actually quite comparable with our Polo 67. So here, you can see the notes of YSL Myself, and here, you can actually see the notes of Polo 67. So see, there's no quite difference. I mean, meron, but actually there's no difference at all. Pero ano naman ang amoy ng isang HSI Myself? So upon trying it actually on my skin, it's more fresh, spicy compare with the OG. So I think that's the only, in my opinion lang ha, it's the only difference that I can find between the OG at tsaka sa isang YSL Myself. So I'd say it has an 85 to 90% of projection. For performance, I couldn't say since I haven't yet fully wear this one. And since this is just a vial, so I just don't know if it's fair to use a vial compared with a sprayer, since it actually might have a different kind of performance. So if you're planning to have a YSL Myself in your collection, you might as well try to consider HSI Motivational Myself. First, it's affordable. Second, it doesn't really far away yung kanyang scent between the OG. That's why, in my opinion lang po, again, I can say that this is 85 to 95% close with the OG YSL Myself. So if you want a fresh, slightly tropical and sweet kind of scent, you might go with YSL Myself. But if you like more tropical, more sweet, more fresh, you can always go with Polo 67. Okay? Hindi po ako tuta ng HSI. This is merely my opinion. In the end, it will always be your choice in your fragrances.